Alright, show us what you do.
I can go down. You're pulling me. We're hard, Mommy.
Yeah? Okay, your turn, Seal.
Look, wind, Mommy. Wind coming out at this.
You're like a windmill. Can do it, Celia?
Do it. Do it. Yeah. No, just watch me, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm watching you. Wow.
Now it's my turn to see. We have one more business. Ow. This is the off piece. Yeah. Woo! One hand on this one. Yeah. Two hands too? Yes, like that. Is gonna make that? Yes, gonna make that. No. Now it's my turn to see ya. Yeah. Feel like your heart here. Hi, baby. Hi. I don't know, baby. I don't baby food. No, climb down.
Okay, climb down.
Right.
We'll move this pillow.
Climb down. Do it. One bite.
You want more bites? There you go.
Wow.
Wow. Hey, who can show me standing on one leg?
I got it. After my game, okay?
Whoa.
You almost got the owie.
Almost. Okay. Okay, what are you doing, Nicholas?
Yoga.
Yoga? Wow. Celia's doing it too? Show me, Seal. Wow. Wow. What's that one called?
Go down, like that goes on. That goes high.
Can you walk like a bridge?
Like this? Like this, Mommy?
Yep. Okay, good. Now can you do somersault?
Yes. Yes. Whoa.
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 Crash.
That goes like a score.
Yeah. Okay, go over, Seal. Whoa. Push over. You're gonna do it. Do it, do it.
Watch me. Watch me.
I'm watching you too.
Oh.
I can see you on this little movie. Oh, you feel you're gonna...
Now, see ya doing you. See ya doing. Now you don't see ya.
I want you to look in here and see him.
Okay.
He's like, kind of like a frog. Nicholas, show us how you can do lots of jumps. Wow. Can you do funny jumps, like with your legs, do something silly?
Let's see